So, hey guys, I'm here. I got the whole entire gauge taken apart and all the needles and everything. So, here's the issue. My girl can see in this little setup. I'm not going to try to do this tonight. But this has bulbs in it, or a bulb behind this information center here. And that needs lit up to light up the back of this. Actually, let me see your flashlight for a sec.
It's out. Hold on.
Mine's right up there. Anyways, I got some blown out LEDs like this one, or glass bulb. See, here's LED. Right here, it's plastic. And here's glass. Here's the difference. So, this little information center, I'm thinking, because the bulbs are blown out.
Nothing! Did you take your antibiotic when I told you to? Alright. Just checking.
I don't know. I don't know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unsolder this fucking thing. Sorry. I'm going to unsolder all these legs on both sides. It's going to be a bitch. And I'm going to take this out. It's glass screen. Fix the bulbs behind it. Fix this bulb. And then check all the other bulbs for 100% and make sure, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's 15 bulbs, okay? And I know one's blown here. I'll go through them all. And let me see. When you stick this up to the light, here's what you got. You got brake light and a lock. Brake light and anti-lock both work. And you got service engine soon, high beam, and traction control. And then these are both turn signals. Turn signal, turn signal. So, and then down here you got seatbelt light and seatbelt light. 2 seatbelt lights. One's driver, one's passenger. I think that's how it is. So, and then, let me see here. These two light up the gauge. What's in here? These two. So these two light up the gauge, these two light up a gauge, and these two light up a gauge. This is the RPM gauge, speedo, and information center type, gas and whatever. So, alright guys, I'm going to put it back together and go to bed. I'm tired. Peace. I got to have this plugged in tomorrow so I can go to work. Wish me luck. I'll show it in the next video. Peace.